We here? We still here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Right. Thank you. I'm just trying to find out what I did with the other one right now. Okay. Right, we're ready. Go ahead.
36th District for the City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now in session. Presiding is the Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor. While court is in session, there will be no talking, eating, drinking, or smoking. Keep all electronic devices on mute until called upon. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm going to be calling your matter first, Ms. Williamson, so just listen, okay?
Okay.
All right. This is the matter of the people versus Barbara Williamson. This is ticket number P10700874. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with the attorney, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Hill, P68445 on behalf of Ms. Williamson. Ms. Williamson, state your name for the record, please.
Barbara Williamson.
Judge, this is a show cause. I'd ask the court if we could arraign my client. We'll wait for reading, stand mute.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Judge, obviously you've seen that my client's having some difficulty with the Zoom technology. We're asking the court to set this matter for a pretrial date and allow her to attend in person. I think the due date's going to be December 10th at 8:30 a.m. and it's going to be courtroom 337.
That is correct. So did you hear that information, Ms. Williamson?
Yes, I did. That'll be 8:30, December the 10th, and room 337.
And room 337. That's right. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, and we'll see you that day. I'll coordinate with the, because it sounds like you want to have a conversation in person. I'll try and coordinate with whoever is the house counsel that day to be able to talk to you about your case, okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you so
You
much.
are so welcome, Ms. Williamson. We'll see you
Have a
on
great day.
December the 10th. Okay, you too.
Yes. Oh, we. Okay, so how do I in my car?
I can get you out, ma'am. I'm gonna disconnect you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. Attorney Simon, did you need to talk to your client?
Yes, Your Honor. He does now have insurance, actually, but I need an offer on the principal charge.
Okay. It's Nathaniel Williams?
Yes, Judge. And I do need to get to Judge Archer within the hour for an in-person exam.
Okay, you said he has what now? The insurance? What about his license? His license is
Well, the license is still suspended mostly because of this ticket, which has been outstanding. So no, he does not have a valid operator's license at this time, but he does have insurance.
It looks like count one is already in default. So count two. All right, I'll put him in. Okay. He has his insurance. Driving while license. He can do driving while license suspended as improper plates.
Proper plates, yeah, that's not a moving violation, right? That'll work.
Okay, I'm going, he's in room, you can actually join it yourself and talk to him. He's in room
15.
15.
Judge, you know what I can do? I can do the breakout, or I could just call him. Well, actually, he's probably using his phone for the Zoom. So yeah, let's break out.
Okay, you can put yourself there. Just select room 15 at the bottom of the screen. You can move yourself there.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Morning. Morning.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor. I just did the building display. This must be good for now.
Yeah, I'm good for now. Thank you.
Just, yeah, just let us know. It's gonna be hopping around.
All right. Yes, Mr. Hill.
Is Matt in there yet? I think Matt's covering the docket.
Yes, Matt is in here right now.
Yes,
Matt,
good morning, yeah.
I sent you a text I sent it to John, then I sent it to Shannon, then I sent it to you.
Okay,
Ms. Devon Westry, I only have one matter up today, but it's a driving license issue. I sent a confirmation that he has a valid license. It just wasn't renewed because he couldn't get into the Secretary of State.
okay.
And Julie, Weiers, I sent you insurance and registration.
Mhm. Is that the only counts they have?
Yeah, for Julie, it's registration, no insurance. And then the only thing else I need help with is Mr. Wilson. Keontae Wilson, he has a bunch of matters I need addressed, if you can make an offer on that. And I think it's a 2008 disorderly. I don't know what the allegations are, though.
Okay,
And
just looking on these guys. Okay.
sure,
That's great.
Mr. Williams, Nathaniel Williams,
Okay.
Judge, is Mr. Williams going into a breakout room, or is,
Now, we have retained counsel. You talking about Nathan Williams?
sorry, unmute, sir, I'm sorry.
It's okay. You didn't know. I'm working while you're working. All right. Mr. Simon?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna do your matter so you can get out of here and get down here.
Thank you. And Judge Archer thanks you too.
No problem. Mr. Williamson, can you unmute yourself, please? You ready?
Yeah.
This is the matter of People versus Nathaniel Williams. This is ticket number P11566957. Count 1 is in default, but it's disregard traffic control device. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance. Here's this for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Simon, P35596 on behalf of Mr. Williams.
And Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Nathaniel Williams.
Your Honor, there are 2 violations pending. The no insurance, there is insurance. We ask that be dismissed in consideration for a plea on count 1 to improper plates.
And the court has before it, I know you don't know this, but the count 1 on this ticket is actually in default. It's disregard traffic control device. The court is going to take that out of default and make that as a part of this plea and dismiss it today. Okay, so I'll dismiss counts 1 and 2, and I'll dismiss counts 1 and 3 and make count 2 improper plates. That's how he wants to go today.
Very well. Thank you, Judge.
If so, Mr. Williams, will you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? All right, can you get a little closer and speak up a little bit? We can't hear you.
Yes,
Okay. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will? Huh?
yes, yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
yes,
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of January the 28th of 2021. Were you driving a 2021 GMC in the area of Hinkle and Ardmore Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have a license suspended at the time?
no.
The license wasn't suspended?
I mean, yes, it was.
Oh, okay. Satisfied, Attorney Simmons?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sorry, Attorney Stein. I apologize. And the court is satisfied as well. Is there stipulation for probable cause on this matter?
Yes, so stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to improper place the count to dismiss counts 1 and 3 of this ticket. Mr. Williams, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. I'm going to give you 60 days to pay that. So it's going to be due no later than January the 19th of 2022. Okay?
Okay,
All right, Mr. Williams, I want you to realize as well that you do have a couple of other tickets in default. You may want to take care of those as well. They're from 2014 and 2020. Okay?
I believe all those was taken care of. I paid them off, I believe. Got receipts.
Check again.
It's still valid.
Okay? Huh?
Yeah, because I got the receipts for them, but I'll check into
Good.
it.
Make sure, keep all your receipts and make sure you're able to show that, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Take care. Mr. Williams, I'll take a look at it and we'll talk later, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Ms. Wiley? Hi, you're on the afternoon docket, ma'am. You're at 1:30.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. See you then.
All right.
Oh, she did everything?
Yeah, you did.
This is really good. This is really good. Thank you. I think my life right now.
So I might ask Ms. Triplett, because she's gonna be in here a couple of times next week.
Absolutely. Anytime you want, okay? Ryan, I mean, Mr. Hill,
Yes, you can call me Ryan, Judge.
I need Good morning. I think Ms. Williams out here. Hers is just a review, so I'm just
Yeah.
gonna.
I figured that out.
Okay.
You want me to go get her?
No, well, yeah, I was trying to, because I don't even need you for that. I can just do hers and you can keep talking to folks. I'm trying to get her out. She's not coming. Oh, there she is. Okay. Go ahead, attorney. I got her in here, Attorney Hill.
No problem.
Thank you. Continue on. Ms. Williams?
Yes,
All right. Are you able to activate your camera or no?
yes. 1 second.
You ready?
Yeah.
This is the matter of the people versus Tayshawn Williams. Is that fair?
Yes.
This is case number 194020081. One count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Can you state your name for the record for me, please?
Tayshawn Williams.
Okay, Ms. Williams. This is the date and time set for a review on this particular matter. It is my understanding that you have paid costs and fines in full at this time. And so the court is going to dismiss this matter because you have fulfilled all the obligations at this time. Okay, Ms. Williams?
Okay.
All right, you're all set. Thank you for following through with all of this, okay?
No problem. Thank you.
Welcome. It'll be dismissed. Okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set. You can sign off.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye. Thank you. What do you need, Attorney Hill?
Mr. Wills is here for a trial. I just want to make sure that Officer Jamie McCree's, no. Hang on.
Yeah.
Is the officer here?
Oh, he's not here. He's still working.
Yeah, so Judge, I think we're ready for everything. If Mr. Wilson has an offer now, that's the only thing I'm waiting on. I'm assuming the other ones are going to be dismissals. There's a lot of not guilty. So if you want to, I think we're good to go.
Okay. Just bring everybody back in and then we can figure out what's what. Can everybody to mute the device, please? I'm seeing y'all. Right. Everybody on mute. Mr. Wilson, you're gonna have to stop walking at some point in time too. It's very distracting for me. Okay. Julie Weirs, you can unmute yourself for me, ma'am. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. This is the matter of the people versus Julie Weirs. This is ticket number P11512444. One count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Hill on behalf of Ms. Weirs. Ms. Weirs, say your name, please.
Julie Weirs.
Judge, we'll wait for you to stand mute.
At this time, the court will enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
There should be an offer for dismissal, Judge. I believe I submitted documentation. Ask the court to adopt. We'll stipulate the probable cause.
And I do have in this file the offer for dismissal. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice today. Make sure you keep everything up to date and in your vehicle, Ms. Weirs, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Davion Westry. Davion Westry.
Davion Westry.
Okay, all right. Where, Mr. Westry, do you have a do-rag on your head? Report.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is my first time.
I know, sir. I'm just telling you. Okay. All right. This is the matter of the people versus Davion Westry. This is ticket C554003. One count expired license, one count disregard red signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan, on behalf of the defendant, sir, say your name for the record.
Davion Westry.
And count two was a warning, so it's not on the docket for today. I apologize.
Okay, so Judge, there should be a dismissal, I think, on this one. We'll wait for Marlena if it is an arraignment.
Okay, we're going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I am in receipt of a dismissal. So I believe, Mr. Hill, there's a motion.
Dismiss, we'll stipulate a probable cause, Judge.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Make sure you keep your place and your license always intact, okay, sir? Especially for your job. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
I will. Thank you.
All right. Good luck.
Oh, thank you.
Sir.
Oh, wait, okay, yeah.
All right. Have a good day.
I mean, Your Honor.
I know what you meant. It's okay. I know you're nervous. You're all set. You can sign
Oh,
off, okay?
Oh, I'm set. Oh, thank you. Okay.
Yep, you're good. Brianna Williams.
Yes.
Okay, your case. This is the matter of the people versus Brianna Williams, or Brianna, I apologize. This is case number 163256801. One count, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill, we have Miss Williams. Miss Williams, say your name, please.
Brianna Williams.
We'll wait for me to stand mute, Judge.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Judge, my client's going to take advantage of the plea offer. I think she's pleading to an amended charge of improper plates. We'll stipulate a probable cause for any dismissal.
Is that right, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No. No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Well, I was guilty then. Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea, that you will waive any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of 11/12/2016. Were you driving a vehicle in the area of John R. and Frederick Streets in the city of Detroit? It would have been a 1996 Toyota vehicle at that time.
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have an operator's license on you at that time?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Hill?
I am.
The court is satisfied as well, except to the amended charge of improper plate on this particular matter of no operator's license on person. Ma'am, do you currently have a valid operator's license?
I can't get one until I get 36 district taken care of.
Okay. Did you have any other fees you had to pay, or was this in the ticket?
This is it.
Okay. Did you have any other tickets anywhere else, or no?
No.
Are you currently employed?
Yes.
All right. I want to set a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay.
If that.
You know what? I'm gonna waive your cost and fines today. This is an older ticket, okay? You just may have to pay a reinstatement fee in order to get your license back, but that's it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. John Whitaker? Jermaine Whitaker.
Yes, I'm here.
This is the matter of people versus Jermaine Whitaker Jr. This is ticket number U570592120. One count of loitering. Appearance of the record starting with counsel, please.
Ryan, on behalf of the defendant, say your name, sir.
Jermaine Whitaker Jr.
Judge, we're gonna, we'll wait for him to stand mute if it is an arraignment, Judge.
It is an arraignment. We'll enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Judge, I'm asking for a bench trial date, but I'm also asking for something a little bit unique. Because this is a narcotics-related violation, my client was issued a warrant. The moment that warrant's entered, it actually suspends his license because it's a narcotics-related violation. Would the court consider setting this for a bench trial date, not a jury, but also taking out a lien or the abstract, removing that, so that way he can get his license reinstated?
Yeah, because he already has another ticket too for that driving while license is suspended. He probably didn't realize his license was suspended. He's
Yeah.
On that one on 2/8/2022. Can we arraign him on that ticket right now as well?
What was that, Judge?
I'm gonna arraign him on his ticket that he has.
Yeah, we'll wait for him on that one, Judge, and that, ask the court to stand mute.
And that's that ticket case number SP 125253881. That's one count of drove while license suspended. The court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. Now, what were you asking me to do, Attorney Hill?
Sorry, Judge.
I said, what were you asking me to do about this other ticket, the narcotics related ticket?
Can we, they're not gonna, the state's not gonna, or the city's not gonna dismiss it. Can we set them both for a trial date and be able to take that abstract out so that way he can get his license? Because I think, this is what I think, Judge, the trial date, if you take that out of the system, his license will be automatically reinstated, right? And then he'll come back and that'll negate the drive without a license ticket.
Does it extract that when I put it on the bench trial track?
The court has the ability, my understanding is the court has the ability to take that whatever suspends you, the moment you miss a court date on a narcotics violation, it sends something to the Secretary of State and automatically suspends your license. I think the court can request that be taken out. That's what I'm asking.
Okay. I will say this for a bench trial. Well, let me find Mr. Whitaker.
Yes.
All right, if you can raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And he's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial where I'm the trier and finder of the fact based on the evidence that the city produces, and I apply the law. Is that how you want to proceed in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on March the 18th, 2022 at 9 a.m. I'm also gonna set your other matter, case number ST 1252531 for the same on that date. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 per. Your attorney is asking me to do something. I'm going to see if I'm able to do it, and give me 1 second. So I'm gonna have my clerk ask if that is possible to do. If it can be done, Attorney Hill, we will allow that to happen. If it can't, then we'll just have to see about it on the day of bench trial. But we'll
Judge.
see that we can do based on the bench trial being set in place. Okay.
That's fine, Judge.
All right. If there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, if I can say one thing, Tony Williams, Mr. Williams, if you can hear me, can you please check the chat function? I've been sending you multiple chat messages, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna send you a message about Mr. Williams as well, Attorney Hill.
Wait,
Where do you stay at? You got ID in here? What are you doing out there? You got driver's license?
Hello.
Mr. Williams, you keep unmuting yourself and I keep remuting you because we're doing stuff, okay?
Okay, my bad.
Kenyatta Wilson, I'm gonna call you next. Keontae, I'm sorry, I said Kenyatta. Keontae Wilson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the matter of the people versus Keontae, I apologize, Keontae Wilson. I'm trying to make sure I call all the tickets that he had. This is ticket number. Okay, count one. Okay, the first one. All right. Ticket P 1151455. One count. Oh, I see. Count two, drove while license not valid or improper license, and currently in default is count one, improper lane use on that ticket. Also calling tickets number 470663. One count, no driver's license. Ticket number 417105. Driving while license suspended. Ticket 408166. Count one, driving while license not valid. Count two, unregistered motor vehicle. Count three, no insurance. Ticket number 259683. Count one, no operator's license on person. U ticket 25002815. One count disorderly conduct. And ticket number 15424860. One count, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Hill, on behalf of Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson, state your name.
Keontae Wilson.
Judge, I have not had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Wilson about an offer. I haven't seen an offer yet. So that was the only case that I was waiting on Matt to send me an offer on.
Okay, I'll make sure you get an offer. Put yourself on mute, Mr. Wilson.
Yes.
Attorney Hill, I sent the offer. You should have it.
We'll go on with the other folks. Clifford Woods.
Yes.
This is the matter of the people versus Clifford Woods. Mr. Wilson, I can see you still. Mr. Wilson, I can see you still. Mr. Woods, are you on two devices?
You said, oh, ma'am.
Mr. Woods. Mr. Woods.
I'm on just one device.
Stop watching me on YouTube.
Stop watching me on YouTube. You said what?
Mr. Woods, just for 1 second.
I'm gonna mute him. We're gonna come back to him. I can't do it this morning. Yeah. We're
It's
gonna mute him.
a not guilty plea if the court wants to take a not guilty plea.
Yeah, I can't with the devices going though.
Your Honor, did you happen to see my message to you?
Oh, yeah, just switch out right now.
Mr. Potts is right here, and he knows exactly what's going on. Thank you, Judge. I'll be back in a couple minutes.
You're so welcome. Tell Judge you want to say hey. All right. Mr. Potts,
Good morning, Judge.
good morning. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you so much. All right, I'm trying to get, we're going to try Mr. Lamar Welch. I had to skip over Mr. Woods for a moment. Okay. Mr. Lamar Welch, can you unmute yourself for me, please?
Okay.
All right. This is the matter of the people versus Lamar Welch. This is case number SP 11871571. One count interference with government employees performing their duty. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, good morning, Coleman Potts, P7607, on behalf of Mr. Welch, who appears by Zoom. Mr. Welch, please state your name for the record, sir.
Lamar Welch.
Your Honor, I believe today is date time set for trial in this matter, and the complaining witness has failed to appear, and at this time the defense moves for dismissal.
All right. It is now 10:07 a.m. Is there a witness here for the Lamar Welch matter? Witness here for the Lamar Welch matter? Any witness? All right. Seeing none, it is 10:08. This matter was scheduled for 9 a.m. The court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Mr. Welch, that does mean that they can refile this matter, but if they choose to. But as of today, you're all set, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Walker?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Your first name, what's your first name?
Robert.
Thank you, okay. All right. This is the matter of the people versus Robert Lee Walker. These are tickets number or case number SP 11625563. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Case number SP 11013451. One count, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 is improper plates on that ticket. And count 3 on that ticket is driver's license never acquired. Also calling case number SP 1101398. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman Potts, on behalf of Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker, please state your name for the record, sir.
Robert Walker.
Your Honor, my notes indicate, I guess Mr. Hill tried to contact him, but there was no answer, so I'm not sure that Mr. Hill actually communicated any type of offer with him yet.
Okay. Have you spoken to an attorney yet, Mr. Walker?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you have to pay attention when they call for you, so I'm gonna have him go back into a room and speak with you about your offer in a moment, okay?
Yes.
All right.
I've been waiting in the room. Nobody came in.
I know. I was about to say, it's okay. We have a busy morning and they may have missed over you, but we'll make sure that they talk to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, put yourself on mute. Tony Williams?
Yes, Your Honor. Tony Williams.
This is the matter. What's your date of birth?
12/06/1990.
All right. Mr. Potts, I'm going to call, it's one matter on the docket, but I'm going to call the other 11 matters that are in warrant status and give a new date, okay?
Okay.
All right. This is the matter of the people versus Tony Dwayne Williams. This is ticket number P11574717. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Also calling from cases that are currently in warrant status. U-ticket 413700408. One count entering without owner's permission. Ticket number 08542246, count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number U4704, U47079318, count interfering with person doing their job, with the government doing their job. Ticket number U51507209, count without first permission. Sir, could you sit up briefly? Thank you.
Okay, yes, he knows that's right. Okay, thank you.
There's someone talking in the background. U-ticket. U-ticket 857961121, one count of disorderly conduct. Ticket number U86299212, fire ordinance. Ticket number 1252671, improper license. Ticket number 125232627, count 1, operator license, operating without license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 2044042, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number 204404921, one count license improper. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman Potts on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Tony Williams.
Your Honor, I believe there was a recommendation for dismissal on his matter.
Not on his matter. Not that I have. I'm going to say his matter. We gotta pull all the rest of his U tickets and all the rest of his tickets. So I'm going to put this as a pre-trial for all these matters so that we can get all his tickets together that he has.
That'll work, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna set this for a pre-trial on February the 15th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m., sir. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on these tickets. We're gonna pull all of your tickets. I'm gonna set aside the warrants that are out there right now, set them at $0 personal at this time. You need to come back on that date so we can try and resolve all of your tickets, sir.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Judge.
Bond is gonna be at $0 personal on all of these tickets. Show back up or else there will be a warrant out, okay? I'll put a warrant out again.
Okay, I appreciate you.
You're welcome. All right, there's nothing further that this hearing. Thank you.
I'm official now. Oh, it's great. Better let whoever I get along.
Mr. Potts, do you have the chance to talk to me? Can you go into the breakout rooms with Mr. Walker and Mr. Wilson or no?
Yes, Your Honor. I just need to know what their offers are.
Okay, I'll have them sent over to you and then you can be able to talk to them.
Okay.
All right. Let me see if I can do Mr. Woods first. Though. Mr. Woods, did you turn off one of your devices for me so we can try and hear you?
Ma'am, I only have one device. I don't understand what's What's going on?
Okay, you sound much better. I don't know what was going on the last time, but it was this bad echo.
Oh, it's clear now.
You sound much better, sir, okay? Recalling versus Clifford. This is ticket number P11626642. One count registered valid or proper license. Also, ticket number P116263. To put that as a part of the plea today. Appearances for the record, council, please.
For the record, on the Coleman Potts P7607 on behalf of Mr. Woods.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Clifford Woods.
Okay, Mr. Woods, I don't know, are you in a tight area?
No, ma'am. This phone is probably not the best phone, but yeah.
Your Honor, we're just continuing not guilty plea and set this matter for a trial date.
Mr. Woods, would you please raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Woods, did you have an opportunity to speak to the attorney?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and they're informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's the information presented.
Yes.
I didn't hear it answer.
Could you repeat that, ma'am?
Yes, I said, did you want to have a bench trial? Sponsor of the facts based on the information presented.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial. March the 18th, 2022. a.m. You're gonna have to find, if it's your device, you're gonna have to find a different device. House, because it's very echoey. And it's gonna make for a terrible Zoom.
Okay, you said what time? You said March 22nd. What time?
March 18th, 2022.
Oh, March 18th. Okay.
I'm gonna set it at $0 personal bond. There's nothing further. This concludes this hearing.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Wings,
Yes, Your Honor.
we're still waiting for your attorney to come back. Good afternoon.
Okay, good
Did you
morning.
want to wait for your attorney? Good morning.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll wait for your attorney. I just wanted to let you know, that's why I'm not calling your matter. I'm waiting for your attorney to come back, okay?
Yeah, I'll talk to him. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Go back on mute. Thank you, sir. All right, I'm going to, who is Devin W? Devin W?
We hung, but we came back.
Wallace. Yes, Your Honor, you had to call my name.
Yes, I was about to say, I'm trying to figure things out. Did anyone come talk to you yet about your cat?
Yes, Mr. Hill. I spoke to Mr. Hill.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. All right. You ready? This is the matter of the people versus Devin Waller. This is ticket number 441640. One count of improper play. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, on a Colin Potts, P78607 on behalf of Mr. Waller. Mr. Waller, please state your name for the record, sir.
Devin Waller.
This is the date and time set, I believe, in this matter for a show cause. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I don't have Mr. Hill's notes about the conversation he had with Mr. Waller. So I don't know whether Mr. Waller was pleading or whether he was continuing his not guilty plea.
Okay, Mr. Waller, were you going to continue your not guilty plea, or were you going to plea on this particular case?
No, I was going to continue with my not guilty.
Okay, are you asking for a bench or a jury trial at this time?
Honestly, I don't know the difference in between the two.
A bench trial would be in front of Your Honor. A jury trial would be in front of 6 of your peers or six members of your community.
I guess a jury trial.
Your Honor,
you want to talk to him in private decision?
Yes.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to reopen all the breakout rooms. I'm going to recall this matter. That concludes this hearing for this point in time. And I'll give you the opportunity to go in and speak with people that. The only person you don't need to speak with is with Mr. Weems. He has retained counsel, and so we're just waiting for them to come back. But you can talk to the other individuals, okay?
All right.
Okay, it's going to open them back up. It's going to invite you all to rejoin your breakout room. Please rejoin it. You don't have to, Mr. Weems, if you don't want to.
Which breakout room am I joining? Or does it have the names on here? I'll have the names on here.
I was about to say, you can have access to them, so go to each one. You should have been sent them the offers. Okay.
I see it now. It's like high tech. Okay.
I said, we got you today. All right. Thank you, Mr. Bott.
We're ready, Your Honor. You can close the rest of the breakout rooms.
Put the date on the calendar.
Okay.
She moved it up.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Okay.
I know you're getting off the end. That's what you're here. That whole time. Call Mr. Waller first.
Yeah.
This is the recalling the matter of the people versus Devin Waller. This was the ticket of 441640, one count improper plate. Appearances for the record once more, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Colin Potts on behalf of Mr. Waller. Mr. Waller, please state your name for the record, sir.
Devin Waller.
Your Honor, I'd like to set this matter for a bench trial.
So, Mr. Waller, will you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm, Mr. Wilson, could you stop moving, please? Pretty please.
Ma'am.
Please, sit still for a moment. I know it's been a long walk. So distracting for me every time you move.
I apologize.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Wally, you had an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights,
Correct.
and he's telling me that you want to have a bench trial in this particular matter. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of March the 18th of 2022 at 9 a.m. It is going to be a Zoom trial, so use the same number you used today to Zoom back in on that date and time. And I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you. You're all set. Are you back, Attorney Hill, or is it Mr. Potts still? We just talked to him.
Mr. Hill is back, and he knows that the remaining people are just getting bench trial dates.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Potts.
No problem.
Welcome back. You know,
Good to see you, Judge.
good to see you as well. All right. Recalling the matter of the people versus Robert Lee. I've already called this matter in its entirety with this cases. Appearances for the record, starting with Ms. Attorney Hill, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of Robert Weems. Should we say your name for the record, please?
Robert Wayne.
No, Mr. Robert Walker.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Okay.
Mr. Walker, state your name, please.
Yes. Robert Walker.
Judge, we'll wait for when you stay mute.
This time the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How would you-
Asking for a bench trial, Judge.
All right. Mr. Walker, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Walker, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone, and he's informing me that you want to have a bench trial in this matter, is that correct?
Yes.
Right. And these matters. Okay, I'm going to set these for a bench trial on the date of March the 18th, 2022 at 9 a.m. It is going to be via Zoom, so you can Zoom back in the same way you came in today. But set your bond at $0 personal.
Yes, ma'am.
At this time?
Yes. I was wondering, is it a way that I can get a fee? I mean, get a dismissal?
Mr. Walker, at the trial date, if the officer does not appear, it'll be dismissed.
All right. Thank you.
Other than that, no. Not right now.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Recalling the matter of the People versus Kenyatta Wilson. Keontae, I don't know why I want to say Kenyatta. Keontae Wilson. I've called these matters in its entirety. They are here today for an arraignment on a bench warrant. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson, state your name, please.
Keontae Wilson.
All right, this is the date and time set for an arraignment on bench warrant. How is proceeding?
Judge, wait for him, bring you stand mute, enter not guilty plea, Judge.
At this time, the court is going to enter a not guilty plea for client's behalf and set aside any warrants that are out there at this point in time. How are we moving forward?
Judge, I just looked at Mr. Potts. I guess we're going to set this for a bench trial. That's right, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Wilson, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And is my understanding that you want to have a bench trial in these matters?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of March the 18th of 2022 at 9 a.m. It is going to be a Zoom bench trial so that you can look back in the same way that you did today. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. And I will set a bench trial for all of the matters that you have dating back to 2015.
Thank you. You said March?
March 18th, 2022.
March 18th. Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Weems is left, but he has retained counsel, so.
Is that it then, Judge?
I said Mr. Weems is left, but he has retained counsel.
Yeah. You sure, Judge? I spoke to him, I thought.
You did speak to him, but I'm pretty sure his counsel came on earlier.
Okay.
Is that right, Mr. Weems?
That's right, Your Honor. That's right.
You hired somebody, right? Okay, please talk to him. So, Attorney Hill. Unless you have something else.
No, I'm good. And Judge Yule was kind of yelling at me, so I didn't have an opportunity to tell him hi on your behalf, okay?
That's okay. I'm so sorry to get you yelled at. You should tell me.
2017 civil case. He's like, why? He's like, why is this case in front of me from 2017? So he started yelling at both of us. I didn't think it was appropriate to mention your name at that point.
No, thank you. I appreciate you so much at that point in time. Thank you. All right. You have a good weekend, though. Are you ready, Mr. Goldstein?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes.
This is the matter of the people versus Robert Weems. This is ticket number P11433936. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
David I. Goldstein appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Can you state your name for the record, sir, please?
Me, Your
Mr.
Honor,
Weems,
Robert Weems. Robert Nantes Weems, the fourth.
Okay, this is the date and time set for, I believe, a pretrial on this matter. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, I was hoping there'd be somebody there from the city law department because Mr. Weems does have his driver's license. We were trying to get something worked out, but I don't see anybody there from them.
You're all right. I do have in front of me a recommendation for dismissal today without prejudice.
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter the dismissal without prejudice for this particular matter because you have presented valid documentation. Okay, sir?
Okay. Okay, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. There's nothing further. Thank you for your patience today, sir. And have a good day at work, okay?
Have a
All
good
right, thank you.
Thanksgiving, Your Honor.
So this means this dismissed, right, Your Honor? Everything's dismissed?
Yes, it's
Okay.
dismissed. You have a valid license, so that's what we're looking for you to have, okay?
Okay.
All right, all right.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.